Hello, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to try making some yogurt biscuits. First time making these, we'll see how they turn out. First I'm going to sift together 2 cups of flour, which I have here, and I need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm going to sift this all together. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of butter. I need half of this stick. And 1 cup of yogurt. So we're going to mix that all together. And I got my dough hook on here. So I'm going to turn that on and mix that all in until it makes a nice little ball in there. Okay, now I have a nice ball. I'm going to put this out on a floured surface. Since I remove everything, dust it with flour. See if I can roll this out. About a 1/2 inch thick. I'll take a biscuit cutter and my little biscuits and put them. I'm using a copper pan. I'll just set them in there. And I'll finish making them all out, and I'm going to put them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, and they should be nice golden brown. I'll be right back. So this is after around 18 minutes. It took a little bit longer than what the recipe said. But I'm going to butter the tops of them before I serve them with some warm butter that I had just microwaved. Let me just brush them on the tops. Now, if you like this yogurt recipe, I do have another yogurt recipe on my channel. It's called Yogurt Streusel Muffins, and they are really good. Yogurt is actually really good for you, so if your kids don't like the yogurt, at least if you put it in the different baking things, they can't taste it, and they will be having it anyway. So I hope you enjoyed these. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. This is TL Cooking.